How to use English comparatives and superlatives. Comparatives and superlatives are used to compare things. Comparatives are used when comparing two things, like taller or more beautiful. For example, John is taller than Peter. Superlatives, on the other hand, are used to compare three or more things, like the tallest or the most beautiful. For example, Sarah is the tallest in the class. To form comparatives, add to most one-syllable adjectives like taller or faster. For adjectives with more than one syllable, use more or less, such as more expensive or less interesting. To form superlatives, use the most or the least, like the most expensive or the least interesting. Understanding comparatives and superlatives will help you make clearer comparisons in English.